Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's time for me to give you an update on my 10K and 100 days challenge. And don't look at my nails. I'm trying to get this gel polish off my nails so I don't have to go to the nail shop so I can save that money also. So, because this gel has not been lasting 2 weeks, mine started chipping the first week. So I'm just going to give my nails a break until my birthday, the end of this month. So I was trying to save some money by taking it off. The acetone is not working. It's taking too long. So that's what we got going on this video. So yes, so if you didn't watch my first update, I'll link it right here in the eye, up in the eye. That was my first weekend. I gave you an update of my 10K challenge. So this is the second week. So this is how I'm doing my challenge. This challenge was created for entrepreneurs. Of course, you know I'm an entrepreneur. I have an Etsy shop. I have a YouTube channel. But I hadn't been serious about it. I kind of just dibble and dabble a little bit. So I figured this would push me to go ahead and get serious about marketing, you know, my channel and my Etsy shop. So I took the challenge on. And what you're supposed to do is pull an envelope each day, every day. Because entrepreneurs make money daily, each day, for 100 days. But I don't do that. I wait till the end of the week, and whatever money I've saved, I pick the envelopes after that to add up to the amount that I saved. So I think that it's less stressful, and so that's how I've been doing it. It's been working for me, so that's how I have been doing it. So since this is the second week, I should have a total of a minimum of 14 envelopes, you know, filled. So I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I only need 3 envelopes this week to bring it to a total of 14. But I'm going to go ahead and pull more than that so I can kind of always stay ahead in case I have a low paying week. So with all that out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you how much I saved this week. I saved $184. Yes. And $155 came from items I sold on Facebook. I included a photo of what I sold. I went ahead and sold my heat press. I've done a couple of shirts. I've done like one big order, but it really wasn't my passion. So anything that does not bring me joy, 100% worth of joy, I'm getting rid of it. I'm dropping down to minimalist. Not minimalist as in not having anything, but minimalist as in not having things that don't bring me joy. So I had the heat press. It was a 3-in-1 heat press. It does the t-shirts, it does the cups and the hats. I never did add the attachment for the cups and the hats, so it was brand new. So I sold all that stuff. I pretty much just gave it away just to make room in my craft room. So yes, Facebook, $155. I had a shirt that I had to return to Ross, and I got that money back. That was $12. And then I sold a badge holder on my Etsy shop. I have an Etsy shop where I sell cash envelopes, and I have badge holders. I am in healthcare, so I decorate and sell badge holders. So if you need a cute badge holder, check out my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description box. And I also counted up my coins. This week I had like $10 in coins. So that's my total of $184 for this week. So it's kind of low compared to last week. Go back and check that video out and see how I saved so much last week. So like I said, every week is going to be different. So this week was $184. I'm thankful because it pushed me to get some of this stuff out of my craft room. And so next week I have a few more items that are inside the house that I want to sell. And I'm also going to be going out to my storage building and selling some things. I know I got some nightstands out there that I no longer want. I have a karaoke machine, all kind of stuff. So that's going to push me to go ahead and get rid of that stuff that I've been wanting to get rid of. So that's another reason why I'm doing this challenge, to go ahead and push me to get some things done and quit procrastinating. So since we have $184, I'm going to go through here and mark off envelopes that total up to $184. And I'm also going to use my phone calculator to, okay, now we're going to mark off our envelopes. I'm going to go ahead and subtract all the envelopes first, and then I'll go back and mark them off. That'll be easiest. So, got $184. So, we're going to mark off envelope number 71, which is $142. That leaves us with $42. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark off a lot of these small ones. Just kind of get some of those out the way. And so envelope number 1 has $2 in it. So 42 minus 2 is 40. Envelope number 2 has $4 in it. So we're gonna subtract 4. That has us down to 36. Then envelope number 3 has $6 in it. We're down to 30. Envelope number 4 has $8 in it, $22. Envelope number 5 has $10 in it. And envelope number 6 has $12 in it. So we're down to a zero balance. So we're gonna go ahead and mark off envelope. I do an X. Let me get my other marker. So we're gonna mark number 72 off. That's the 142. Then we're gonna go through here and mark off 1 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have at least the minimum a total of 14 envelopes. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we still 4 envelopes ahead. So I want to kind of stay ahead, even though these are small envelopes, but it still makes me feel like I'm making some progress. So my total for my 10K challenge is, and so if you watch my previous video, you know I have this cute jar that I picked up from Monet's Money here on YouTube. I'll link her Etsy shop, and she has this jar for you to track. She tracks her debt, but I'm gonna track my 10K challenge with mine. And so since I only saved like 20% of 10,000 is $2,000, so I still have like, what I have, $2,184. I'm not gonna bother with trying to figure out the percentage until I get a larger amount. So we're not gonna fill it in this time, but yeah. So check out Monet's Money Etsy shop. She also sells cash envelopes and all kind of trackers and all kind of budget sheets. Yes, and she has a great budgeting channel. So yeah, so I'm proud of my progress. I have some progress, and let me tell you something that this 10K challenge has done for me. It has really helped me to put things in perspective. I'm really pushing myself to do this challenge, to come up with $10,000 in 3 months. It can be done. And I prayed about it before I decided to announce it on YouTube. And the reason why I'm sharing it is to motivate you guys, to let you know you can do whatever you will once you pray about it. And if it's in God's will for you, you can do it. So don't let anyone tell you can't do something and something can't be done. And I'm not going to lie. I have all these strategies of how I was going to come up with the 10K, but I really was a little, I'm not going to say worried, but I was a little anxious about how to actually come up with it. And guess what? God stepped right in. Guess what? I'll put it on the screen for you. God is so good. That's all I got to say. So Mrs Vee finna, no, not finna, that's country. Well, I am country, but I'm going to redo that word. Mrs Vee is about to work some overtime. Let me just say, I'm going to be working some overtime. Yes. So I want to thank God. Thank you, Jesus, for putting this idea in my head. And thank you for my supporters here on YouTube, because I have some great supporters. And I love all you guys. And yeah, so this is my update. So I am about to, as they say, go ham. I'm about to clear my house out, drop down to minimalist. A lot of this stuff I do not care for, hadn't used in years. Somebody else can, you know, make good use of it. So why hold on to it when you can get rid of it for little or nothing? I pretty much give my stuff away. $5, $10, $15, $20, pretty much everything. So, and I am about to go into my storage building and go ham. So yeah. So my next update should be good. But the one after that I know would be good because I already have some overtime that I already had scheduled. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this update. Let me know what challenges you were working on. Remember, Denzel Washington stated it best. He said you should have daily goals, monthly goals, and yearly goals. And that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always, always, always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.